Alright, since I noticed that there's not any videos on the console, at least I didn't see any on YouTube, I decided to kind of show an unboxing and a view of the products, of course out of the box and all the different angles and different things that I noticed. But yeah, I have the couch also. I have like 2 seats, armrest, and extra ottoman. But I've seen a lot of videos with that already, so I decided to just show the console here. So this is how it looks like. There's nothing special. So yeah, it looks packs pretty well. It's got these corner guards, look like they're made out of looks like plastic. Let me go back a little bit further. See a little bit better. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so I cut enough that I can open it up. There were some pieces of foam there that was on the top and on the side. But yeah, it's packed pretty well. I don't think it's damaged. Is this the USB stuff? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna unwrap it so we can see how it looks like out of all this packing. So notice it was easier to just open up the bottom of the box and then slide it out by pulling this cover here. That's how I get it out. But yeah, let's get these out of the way. There's something here. This is all hardware. Probably a box or something. I mean, a bag or something. Oh, let's keep this. Okay. Yeah, there it is. It's dark gray color. This is the rest of the sofa set that I bought. Dark gray in color. Of course, I want it to match. Let me cut this here. Okay. Yeah, it's wrapped up from the bottom, so there's an opening at the bottom. Oh, something fell. Probably the cover. Yeah, I did see damage in the box on the side. Hoping it didn't damage the side of this. Doesn't look like it. That's good. So I guess the hardware looks like it's inside, maybe stored inside the box. I mean, the drawer here somewhere. Oh, static. Woo! Lots of static. That's gonna shock me. Yeah, there's the. Let me get this a little bit closer. Oh, it's pretty heavy. I mean, the box itself says that it says gross weight is 67.32 pounds. Net weight is 58.74 pounds. So I'm assuming that's about 58 pounds. But there's a hardware box inside of it though. But yeah, this is kind of what I was looking for when I was looking for a review. Kind of wanted to see how it looks like up close. Maybe press this. Okay, so yeah, here's the good drawer at the bottom. Pretty spacious. Maybe like I don't know, maybe 13 inches or so tall, and maybe, I don't know, 9-10 inches across. I found a random screw that just came. That's at the bottom. That's not good. Probably came out from the sides or something. I don't know. I gotta figure that out. Here's the cup holders. And here's the cover that you can flip and then use that as a table. Looks like this wood. Looks like it's wood, but I don't know if it's like fake wood or not. Seems like it's real wood. It's pretty heavy. That cover is full. Feels like it's like 10 pounds. Here's the hardware box, I guess, too. Can you put stuff together? I'm not sure. Looks like it's already put together. Oh, there's some instructions in here. Okay, it looks like I need to attach some stuff. The feet. And then the parts to actually connect it to a different sofa part. So yeah, it looks like that. Okay. Doesn't look hard. I need to get the other pieces then. But yeah, let's take a look. So pretty spacious inside. Really big storage. That's really deep. Trying to think something for reference. Maybe there you go. A Blu-ray case. Yeah, it's pretty big. Stand it up there on the side. Yeah, it's pretty spacious. It's nice. So when you push this button, opens up. Cool. It says here, prohibit children to touch. Yeah. It looks like this, Spanish maybe? No, it looks like it's the same thing, prohibit children to touch. So yeah, to AC, USB-C, USB-A, looks like over there. I'm assuming there's a plug in the back. This is actually what I was curious about. I'm assuming it's back here somewhere. I saw this can open. But yeah, no, I don't see anything. I don't see a cable or anything. There's gotta be a way to connect this. It's not magic. Not like there's a battery in here. Probably underneath. Yeah. Let's see. Let me put this cover aside. Some of these holes also are the connectors to the different parts of the sofa. But yeah, let me see if I could safely put this down. Yeah, I'm assuming I see a little zipper here. I'm assuming it's underneath here somewhere. Ta-da! I knew it. It's not magic. There's a plug somewhere. Nothing else in here? Oh, interesting. I guess if you want to hide something, this is a great place to do it. There's actually a decent amount of space in there. I don't know if it's hard to see. Let me take the camera out so I can go way in there. Yeah, so. Yeah, it's pretty spacious. You can hide stuff in here. There's the storage box, the bottom of it, and then there's a drawer, the inside of it. But yeah, it's kind of cool if you want to hide stuff. And then yeah, it's got this plug here. This is kind of what I figured it'd be, a single plug. It's pretty thick, so I'm assuming it's it can take the wattage of the all the stuff you can plug in. It looks like, let's see, 15 gauge, 16 gauge. I think it's 1/6 in there. But yeah, it's pretty thick. So yeah, it's kind of cool, but I'm kind of curious though. Oh, okay. Maybe with the feet, it's gonna be elevated, and then the cable can go in between the feet. Because I was afraid the cable was gonna get smashed. It's never good for an electrical cable. So yeah, I guess I gotta put the feet, and then it's gonna be elevated, and the cable can slide out through the back. This is just a twist tie here. That's there. That's why it's all wrapped up like that. But yeah, that's kind of cool. Let's see what it's like. There's the label for it. It says it has no added chemicals, so I guess that's good. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. It's an up close look at this console, and it's got this little wire here. It retracts. Interesting. You can hide more stuff back here. Got a little magnet there too. But yeah, I'll show this when I have it fully set up with all the different other components that I have to build now. But yeah, it looks cool so far. This is the sofa set up now with the console in the middle. I have the plug going in the back. 2 plugs there, USB-C, USB-A. And I realized also here you can not double tap, but just push it forward and it just pops out. Has a retractable kind of pin in the bottom. You close it by just going that, just clicks in. Again, push in and it pops out. Really nice. Of course, this again. You can flip it over, use it as a table. But yeah, looks really nice.